Ah yes, the beloved laser beam. Notice, stroke the laser. That's sick. That's revolting. I will not have it. See a laser over here next to me? That's what it's all about. Laser beams for everybody. Would have been a bigger laser if the clouds weren't blocking the laser in the sky. Ooh, the laser in the sky keeps on shooting. God, I hate those type of songs. Is that fucking Journey or Toto or Air Supply or that emotional glam rock ballad music, power ballad? What's worse, that or the overly done modern R&B type shit? It's hard to say. They're up there. What if you were forced, like the movie Clockwork Orange, to have your eyeballs pried open and locked into a chair and forced to listen to that type of music only and view videos of it on huge big screen TVs? Like, oh, make it stop. And then after 3 days straight of that on psychedelics and mind programming, then you'd be a good citizen and go shopping and spend your money and go to schools and try to get the biggest diplomas you could to make the most money so you can spend the most money and give the most to your society. God, shut up. We know you're a train. This guy have a cramp on his trigger finger for the horn? Fucking Happy Gilmore over there, honking, it's tooting his own horn, literally. You hear that? There's only 2 intersections in this town. He's already passed them like a mile. Shut the fuck up! I'm gonna find where this motherfucker lives. God, shut up. Why is he still honking? Is there a person stuck to the hood of his train? Of the train engine? What the fuck is the guy's problem? Maybe he had a heart attack and he's asleep at the wheel of the engineer car. And he's like, ooh, and he's still going full speed ahead, like one of those train out of control movies. He's still honking. There's another one coming at him. I've never heard one of these assholes honk all the way through town. An engineer. Still honking. I want to give that guy one right in the fucking keister. Right in the chin. He's really getting his jollies on that. Son of a bitch. I want to get one of those air horns with little cans and go to his house when he's sleeping at night and sneak into his bed when he's like, and go, hello. He's like, oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, that would be my ultimate fantasy in life. There he is, Mr. half the time aloof, half the time friendly, Mr. Personality Swing. Oh, he loves you if he thinks there's food in you. Other times, if you don't have food, he'll just scoff at you and go, and just walk off. Jerk. We're sick and tired of it.